He's really picking up speed now.
I see him, Mama. I see them, Mama.
Well, I don't know if it was due to that stuff or just old age, but we have a leak under our sink here. I've been hearing the bilge run the past couple of nights randomly, and I knew there was something letting water loose, but it wasn't too hard to find, as you can see. So we're off to see if we can find some of this hose today. Let me see. I know we're not cutting just yet, big boy. We got to get this hose clamp off first. All right, Michael, I'm sorry, buddy. You have to get out of my lap, big boy. I need to be able to use both my armsies. All right. Can you come sit up here? Just for a minute for me, okay? Thank you. I did something. I had to move something. Oh, it just ripped it even further down.
That's kind of cool.
Yeah, it's not the appropriate method of moving, but it worked. Yeah, baby.
Oh.
Hey, dude. All right, let's get our shoes on.
All right.
Everybody boot up.
Boot up. Off to see if we can go find the hose.
Yep. We'll find it. Depends on whether we have to go all the way to West Main or not.
Look at all this snow up there.
This might be the last time we see snow out here. Who's fastest, Mama? Mama! Who's fastest, Mama? When you were just looking at us, What are you videoing?
Tippy top too.
You know you could fall. You're a big man. So why would it hurt?
Where did I put the hose? There's the hose. All right, this. West Marine had something that would work. It was more expensive than what was there, but it's all they had. Let's see if we can't hook her back up. So that's the through hole. It's above the water line, obviously. And then our sink drain. And then this one's got to turn. And we got to get her up into here. I feel like I could cut some off. All right, well, it was a little bit of a struggle, but we got her on there. A little bit longer than it needs to be. Actually, yeah, I could take some out. I may end up having to, we'll see. But for now, I'll take our, don't use the sink, stop her out, and give a quick check for leaks here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take some of the hose out. Unfortunately, it would appear we're gonna have to cut some off. All right, well, our hose is a little bit too long. I'm gonna have to trim off some in order to get this thing to function properly. So it kind of acts like a P-trap in a way. But at the moment, I ran the sink and there's water up to about here in this line. You can see it through the sink there. And it's only because it takes that much gravity to make the rest move out the hole outside. So we're gonna have to raise this loop up and get it a little bit less of a curve. Hopefully it won't be too hard. This stuff's no fun to cut though. There we go. That worked fairly well. Some good soapy water to the bilge. Clean that thing out some. Those snippies right there. Snipped off camera. Not the prettiest cut, but she'll still work. Yeah, okay. Alright. Done, so hopefully make it go on easier. Let's see. Yes, go. Perfect. Still a pretty big loop. I feel like we could take some more out. Alright, it wasn't that hard to cut.
2.
I'm not gonna say it was safe to cut, but that one went smoother. Okay. I think there's still soap in there. All right, that's good. That looks good. Okay, that one's good. I gotta wipe my hands off real quick. The sink drain line has been replaced. It is leak free. I'm scared to find how many other lines are gonna have frozen after this storm. I already know of a couple that drain the cockpit area. There were icicles hanging from those, so pretty sure those are, you know, good source of potential leaks now, but that's okay. Giving Frosty some cheeks, some dimples.
Yep, some little